We talk football SA sino babala ulanga TV. Uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje ba?
Yeah, Baba, Wana, truly speaking, I'm a Kosi fan, but yeah, the Pirates today, you want to win a league. You understand?
What do you win?
The way Badalanga won.
Yeah.
If Sundowns here buys, Pirates are because Fandaka check the way Banaba Mata, or Bafanaba, Level Mufukin, the way Banaba Matagate. There are somebody who have a Matis Amamra. You understand? And which is a good football because of we want Bomufuking. I agree, you know, we are going to a World Cup. And here a World Cup. Here a matter so about matter basal fresh like this. That means you go World Cup Mexico. Taiwan Samuel.
Fuking watches and Banao.
Yeah, I'm finally a chase. Yeah, chase and Yabanala ready. Or got South Africa Matagayon. Young Wopota, Obanaka Mulveta Fandaka the way not the
Yeah.
Because each and every like season, you can run like a Sundowns and like a Sundowns. But now Pirates the way Dalangao. Okonabana can net Mufuke way to the Pirates. Arbatu Guama. Yeah. Here we like Orlando Pirates, Mufuke. Yeah. That boy and he's still young. And why push at the way push that thing, and Ralebo and Mufuke. So I pay matter like that. As you know, Luro Namako Martoko Panaga Sunday 26. The Pirates. Yeah, the whole team of Pirates. Shapile 3. Now we want Ronaldo Shapile 3. Yeah, no leadership. At least William Abano no winner. I will even no, but can you team of Pirates? The team of Sundowns. No, you know. It's our Sundowns is our daily bread.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So get on Baba. Nare footballer rata. That is our today. Really here in Terel Makos relative Afana because of the World Cup. We read Dalar Konova support. Raba support. Yeah. Yeah. Kuma Fane. There is no way. Yeah. And never Dala Shapo Kuma Chala. Guys, le Dala Shapo continue le Dala Shapo. Footballers since le Bonakale. Kabo Chale. Since le Bonakale. Kabo shoot Musho Kobo shapes. So now Babusa that South African football.
Yeah.
In Namalan. Yeah. Get snake. Yes. Ola ba.
Yes. Kibona ngari warekisa mo.
Yeah.
So ngikupa ubutse batho gore warekisa.
Ola. Guys, la tseba ke Langa TV ke out ya ko Limpopo le Khosi chairperson ya Waterberg region ke rekisa makarapa ke ya makarapa rona if angwetse the name of your club.
Yeah.
Only 200.
Only 200.
Yeah, here shapa.
Sheletenya so.
Kenya no one. Here shapa leki la pere le wana lujwa.
Yeah.
Le lensa ka 400. Here shapa number plate ya how lilina la how we start ka 300.
Okay.
Yeah, please come and support guys.
So muthola jwang, muthola jwang.
The number that is this simple guys. This start ka 0. Number ya ka ki 061 521 8267.
Yes.
061 521 8267. Deliver on. How the outside, maybe only outside province, yeah, Josie. Refaka go Pepsi, Pepsi, go Pep.
Yeah.
So it's only 60 rand. Like Karapala Lafi.
I get what I was thinking.
Ola.
I did man.
Yeah.
Why is a regimo? Why is a regimo? 200. Why is we get down that?
Yeah. And then another thing, guys.
Yeah.
We talk football SA.
Yes.
I subscribe to my Facebook. I believe we're going to YouTube with it. And then I believe it's TikTok with it.
You know, we're going to update the status more.
Update
scores in America.
Number one. Our supporter will talk football SA. Always, guys. Get local, get our own. Get local channels, guys.
Yes.
Let's support them. At least the channels are not the whole. We love you.
Yeah. Ikupa unketsetse ata. Ere we talk football SA. Yeah, unketsetse ata. Yeah. Itabekeni tengo bapala Chiefs. Yeah.